Apple Tree Audios presents a spoken word project for your listening pleasure. We sincerely hope that you enjoy the following production. The relentless waves crash against the rocks, carrying a symphony of acknowledged remorse. I find myself swept away by the ever-changing weight of free interpretation, finding myself immersed in a dance of emotions. Balancing on the walls of wisdom and the depths of suffering, I teeter in silence, as if the virtues of brevity were the last survivors. Trapped tightly within this macabre motion at life's feast, I feel both exhilaration and trepidation, as if dancing with the devil himself. A fading chasm moans and quivers, its frozen fingers digging into my skin, etching remembrances that bleed onto the page. With each ego slain, chaos and tide embrace me, and I find solace in whispering lullabies to the paper that doesn't listen. Falling becomes a graceful descent, shaking off fragile feathers, an intangible gift to those born into abject misfortune. Emerging from death's womb, clutching a pen amidst misery, I refuse to succumb to despair. There is something captivating in the hypnotic power of a kindred mind, releasing dreams of greatness and melancholy. It feels both due and necessary to abandon all futile hopes for enlightenment and compose madrigals to condemned love. No longer will I await divine wrath, destroyer of legacies and punisher of presumption. The bruises of the past, in liquid form, will never stain my lips again. I reject the pollution of poisonous thoughts. For the love of the ink that flows within my heart, as a witness to integrity, I reveal my own truth. In the face of pain, I seek oblivion's embrace, embracing the death of the artist, only to rise again, reborn, brand new. Reality shows itself in intricate fractals, the eye of a storm moaning amidst breathing ashes. Insanity's fractals intertwine, as nations and societies are reborn under the weight of transformation. Let them all burn, for love and destruction are entwined, and hate lies within contempt. We, the sons and daughters of abhorrent beauty, wage a war for enlightenment. Arm the rings of Saturn with tools for the final battle, where golden ratios rise against neon lights, leading the way forward. Embrace this journey, whatever it may inspire in your daydreaming soul. As everything burns, remember that beauty arises from fire, awe from death, and peace from the embrace of doom. Watch it all burn, and let your spirit be enlivened.